The market is hot and this is the buying season right now. Welcome back to the video, and it is the middle of November already. I can't believe I'm saying that. If you're watching this video, it's because you're either A, really interested in buying a motorcycle either right now, or you're trying to figure out when to get it. Now we have 2 months left in this year, well, a month and a half, and this is why I kind of wanted to make this video, to help those of you out there who are looking for the deals, those of you who have been waiting all year to kind of make up your mind. And if you are out there in the market, you want to get a bike before the year is over, I think this is the time to do it. This is the buying season right now. Before we dive into the discussion, if this is your first time on the channel, this is my 2024 Low Rider ST Tobacco Fade. Absolutely love this thing, and I'm kind of getting the itch again, get another bike. So this is like kind of another reason why I kind of wanted to make this video as well. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and make sure to like, comment, subscribe right now if you want to see more content like this in the future. Now, we all wonder, when is it the right time to make a motorcycle purchase? Now, I am going to be comparing this to the car market a lot. A lot of my content, I do a lot of comparisons to the car market because there's a lot of similarities when it comes to sales, when it comes to dealerships, when it comes to when to buy, when it releases, whatever it is, but there's a lot of similarities. So if you don't know, at the end of the year is the hottest time to buy. December is when all dealerships are probably at their peak. Reasons why is because it's at the end of the year. Some dealerships are either stocked up with, for example, this year 2024 models, and they don't know what to do with them. So what better way to get rid of these motorcycles or cars in a faster way than to cut deals? Make a deal with you, the customer, the buyer, us, me. So it is your duty to go in there with the proper knowledge, know what you're looking for, A, and B, know that you probably are going to be walking out of that dealership with your new toy and a nice little deal. Now, going back to what I was saying before, December is the last month of the year, and 2025 models are rolling in, depending on the type of brand you're buying. If you're Harley Davidson, I'm sorry, you won't be seeing these newer 2025 models till January, because that's when Harley Davidson does their launches. Other companies do it a bit earlier, October, November, September, August. So the 2025 models, you could basically say, are at the dealerships right now. Without a doubt, that's not to say, hey, the 25 models are not yet in the dealerships, I won't be getting a sale. No, you're wrong, my friend, because guess what? These dealerships, a lot of these dealerships might have a lot of stock. They want to get rid of them because the later and longer they go into the new year, the more deals they got to cut off. So they rather kind of cut off a deal on you right now and not a bigger deal later on, right? So this is when they start moving those units, and you need to go in there with the proper mindset. You're gonna want to negotiate. Now, when I say proper mindset, negotiate, wanting a discount, I am nowhere near talking of you getting a 20% discount on anything. That's not gonna happen, especially in this market, because things are almost back to normal ever since, you know, so things are almost back to normal when it comes to supply and demand. The amount of units that are going to be at those dealerships for you. Before, we know that it was, hey, there's one of this bike, one of that car, one of this, and if you want that color, you're going to have to wait 2 months and you're going to have to pay X amount over sticker. You're not seeing that anymore, man. Unless it's something limited, then that's different. They're going to be charging over sticker. It is what it is. It's supply and demand. But if it's for any regular bike or car, you shouldn't be paying over sticker. Remember that you shouldn't be paying over sticker. Now, are interest rates still a little high? Yes, that's the only thing that's the only thing that's holding us back right now, for basically for us not to be in that normal type of market again. But as soon as those markets keep going down, we're really 100% back to normal. Now, December, there's a lot of brand new bikes out there on the market right now. They want to get rid of them. There's going to be a lot of people who are probably going to be selling some bikes right now because of the winter time. Some people tend to sell in the winter time. So this might also be a really good time for you to pick up yourself a nice bike that's pre-owned, and you're gonna be getting that for a pretty good deal as well. For those out there who kind of don't ride in the wintertime, you know that January and February and part of March are dead. Towards the end of March, that's when things pick up again for the riding season, and prices might go back up. You might not see those big deals again. So I'm telling you right now is the time. I have been searching online and doing some little research and looking at different dealerships, and I have seen that they are having some little deals here and there on used bikes and some of the new bikes as well. Now, sometimes these deals are not gonna get advertised. So you're probably gonna wanna go step into the dealership, go see what they have, talk to a salesman, see what's on the floor, see what's available, and if it's something that you like, then try your best to be a really good negotiator and get yourself a brand new bike. Now, when you're out there negotiating, either A, ask for something off the MSRP, maybe ask for them to take off one of these, you know, extra charges that they, you know, that they add on, either a prep fee, either a freight fee, either this fee or that fee, whatever it is. Try to sit there, negotiate. You know what you want already, right? They kind of need your money right now. You're already there. So know what you want and know exactly where you want to be at. Now, there's like, for me, for example, right now, there's only a few, I'm going to say maybe 3 bikes that I would get right now as a secondary bike. Yeah, you know what? I think I was kind of thinking, we're going to make that its own video, because I think that that's real important right now. A lot of, you know, things are getting back to normal. It has been a really, really bad year when it comes to the market, when it comes to everything being super expensive and inflation and this, and everything is super high, but things are kind of getting back to normal now. So I know that, and I'm certain that for 2025, the market is gonna get a lot better. There's gonna be a lot more people out there being able to spend a little more money and get yourself a toy, a car, another bike. And I'm gonna give you the perfect example right now. Me, right now, I'm shopping for a brand new car. I'm gonna wait till next month, because I'm gonna wait till the end of December. But I'm looking for a brand new car. I have like a list of 3 or 4 cars that I'm kind of got my eyes set on. So whichever one of those brands give me the best deal, that's the one I'm probably gonna go with. So I'm talking to you right now as trying to give you some knowledge as a person who's doing something similar right now, this instant. And also for those of you guys who are at home and you're wondering, well, you know what, should I buy right now? Should I wait for the new 2025 models to come out? That's totally up to you. I'm trying to, you know, kind of give you guys a little hint, kind of save yourself some cash, some of that hard-earned cash that, you know, you guys been kind of working hard for. Anyways, are you in the market at the moment? Are you looking for a bike? If you are, what motorcycle are you looking for? Or if you're like me, if you're looking for a car, what car are you kind of looking at right now? Drop your thoughts in your comments down below. Look out for the next video. We're going to be talking about the top 3 bikes that I would get right now. The only 3 bikes that I would get at this moment. That video should be up in a few days, so check that out. We're gonna have a few more things coming up. Next week we're gonna be installing all the carbon parts on this bike right here, so wait for that video. Amongst a few other little things, we are now in our back to normal routine. Thank you for watching. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.